So when these guitars are assembled and strung up, we want to make sure that the bridge saddles can be adjusted to the correct height to meet the string that's coming from the nut end of the guitar. So we want to make sure that the neck pocket is deep enough, and to do that, we just kind of set it up as a mock-up like this, set the bridge where it's going to be. We've got the adjustable heights on each of the individual saddles there. We just kind of set them so that the tops of the set screws are kind of flush with the top there, and then we have the adjustability of the entire height of the saddle box here, or the housing. Set that bridge in position, and with the neck and fretboard flat in the pocket, if we just take a long straight edge, like in this case a level here, set it in place, and if we can nudge that bridge, then we know that our clearances will be pretty right on. Over here we have one where if we do the same thing, we actually go over the top of the bridge. And that tells us that when this guitar is assembled, we've got string height being set above the frets, and those saddles will need to be adjusted pretty high, almost to the to the limit of their set screw length. So how do we fix it? Take a look at this guitar over here. Basically what we're after is bringing this plane down so that it behaves like this first guy does. And this is just a mortising bit with a top bearing. And in your router, you can ride the sidewall of the pocket and basically clean out the entire neck pocket to achieve a depth that you're after.